The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Is Star-Lord a title of the Intergalactic Empire?
No.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Anyone who risks the night of a dangerous place needs to be taken out.
Looks like we've got ourselves a party.
Good medicine. Power beyond sight!
Initiating surveillance. No unauthorized entry.
Hands are shaking again. Focus.
I am Thor, son of Odin. No butcher, much alike.
Can't keep up. How about an assist?
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks. Damage sustained. Need assistance. Better stop that vehicle.
I am strengthened for battle.
Vigilante activity detected. Initiating surveillance. Perfect precision.
Double KO. That's 3.
sorcerer
There's still a
supreme
chance to stop them.
returns.
Better stop that vehicle.
Director's injured! Mayday!
Good medicine.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Double KO.
I have unfinished business here.
Better stop that vehicle.
Does a Lord Icon do bonus? Star-Lord, ready for takeoff.
Leave them to Khonshu!
Vigilante activity detected. Initiating surveillance mode. Martial law in effect. No unauthorized entry.
Now or never. Stop them.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Down, counter, accuracy percentage!
the on-site! See there? The slider. An unseen assist! The Vishanti foresaw this.
Laid low by lightning!
I hope my brood baby didn't eat all of the pudding while Daddy was off hunting. This officially makes us I'm the best there is. Suck it, Lordy!
He stopped them in their
More
tracks!
powerful yet.
No hiding from us!
Magneto!
They got me good! I can use a hand! Maybe a foot!
Perfect precision.
Power the on-site!
This is real firepower!
Judge! Jury! Executioner! It's clobbering time!
Double KO! Don't give them another
Mystic arts
inch!
won't fail
Or
me
else.
again.
Guess who just showed their stupid faces?
I am strengthened to battle.
Lead them to Khonshu!
Beware, a sniper!
Isn't Magneto?
I'm an easy target.
He stopped them in their tracks!
Watch out! They got me.
Visualizing activity detected. Initiating surveillance. Marshal law effect. Unauthorized entry.
Power the on-site! The on-site!
You can always count on me!
The doctor is in.
The current score is 0-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2, go!
Hood on. You're gonna find out how much chaos I can cause.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Hood on, guns out. Let's go.
Open your eyes. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Nay, this is a sacred weapon forged for gods, not fools.
Pretty please, with tiny metal wings on top.
I promise I'll be worthy. Ish.
Perhaps
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I may look young, but trust me.
Our enemies are near. I am strengthened for battle.
Healing factor can't keep up. Move out of this thing!
All that thunder for
Down, Joker! Action 3%!
sniper. Ionic magic!
Hey! Someone's shooting at us! Not cool!
Good medicine.
This is real firepower!
Timely intervention. By the eye of Agamotto! By the eye of Agamotto! The doctor is in.
Does a Lord Icon do bonus damage? The team up nobody asked for!
Run, Fox, run!
Only 60 seconds left.
Prompt and beautiful, baby!
Destroy the Punisher's turret! Enemy in front of us! An unseen assist!
A sea of pain!
The Sorcerer Supreme returns!
The final 10 seconds.
I'm opening a portal. Pentagram of hope.
No winner yet. Going to overtime.
It's clobbering time!
Final score 0-3. Well, you can't expect to win them all. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round 1, go!
I'm Luna Snow. I'm overdue for a little good karma.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You think you know the cold, child. You wouldn't last a night in Niflheim.
Then I'll be sure to take it off my list of possible tour stops.
You jest, but your powers feel like nothing more than a summer breeze to me.
Okay, if you say so.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
The only thing strong.
There you are.
Another unsuspecting foe.
You owe me one. Thanks so much. I like the cold. Need some help. I really hoped for more for you, Parker.
I suppose that helped.
Snowball fight. I've still got songs to sing.
Battlefield ready again.
Someone needs a snowball in the face.
Spring Castle.
Mayday! I like the cold. I'm very hot.
I suppose that helped.
I was worried.
Well, looky here.
Look over here.
The Punisher down. A nice deep freeze.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
I'm making a comeback.
Gotta fly.
I'm hit! Cover me!
Back in the hunt.
Only 60 seconds left.
Fear thyself. A nice deep freeze.
Hostiles in front.
That one hurts. I was worried. I am ready to put on a show. I am ready to put on a show.
Down to 30 seconds. Double KO.
Get ready. There's a cold snap coming.
Final 10 seconds! No winner yet. Going to overtime!
My way!
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear.
Open your eyes. Reality is...
Round 2!
Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I had a feeling we would meet again, Daywalker.
Heather. Care to finish what we started on Clintar?
Now. We have matters of multiversal importance to deal with. Shall we call it truce?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
I didn't always love my powers, but now I think they're great.
Good medicine.
I'm being controlled. Take them down. Damage sustained. Need assistance.
Ionic magic!
I like the cold. Claims its due.
I am strengthened for battle. Ionic magic!
Final score 0-1. Well, you can't expect to win them all.